what's up everyone? So this is a third video. When you guys can see my other two videos, it is SMD that I do this. So I'm just gonna do some getting to know you ASMR. So thank you for this ASMR content. Hey, shadow. Just gonna fix this. Hey, shadow. So let's start. Let's go. So first thing first. Hey, my name is Napoleon Montalvo III. Yeah, that's my full name. It is Napoleon, not Naps, not Paul. So it is Napoleon, and that's my name. Hey, great to meet you guys. It's like the first time meeting with you guys. I forgot this about introduction, So that's my full name, and I'm 23 years old, everyone. So I'm 22 years old. As you guys can see, I'm not that, 22 years old look. So I'm kinda, skinny person. What should I tell you about myself? It is a biodata, like that. So I'm gonna say I'm a Libra. That's my sign. I'm a Libra. And my height, I'm a 5'7", I think 5'7", 5'8", yeah, like that, 5'7" or 5'8", and yeah, I'm a single boy on our siblings. And what more? Oh, my school. About my school, as you guys hear when I introduce my age, I'm 23, guys. So I should at this age is working out right now, So I got a little things that going on my previous school, university. I choose the course of civil engineering, because my strand at senior high is STEM. So I think everyone thought that I'm good at math, like that. So I'm gonna, balance very. Not gonna say I'm good at math, but civil engineering is not about math. So sorry if I said that. So yeah, when I got my first year college at on 2021, I think, and it is a type of online class as well. So new school, new classmate, new faces. Yeah, like that. So I don't got friends that time. So it is hard as well to establish some friendship. And poor coordination through online classes like that. And I think that was a hard time for me when I experienced that as well. When I'm saying that to my batchmate, classmate, saying that it's good to be alone, when you have someone and when you don't have someone to know like that. So I just say that to my friends, and at first I'm good at prelim, midterm like that. So when it comes to pre-finals, I think finals like that, hey, that snap, bro, it snaps me up. So it is hard. So it is a shocking time because some teachers, some professors are not fully gonna make you support. No, sorry for the words. I don't mean for anyone teachers. I'm not leaning for anyone teachers here. So just it is my experience as well, some teachers or proctors, like you can call, are not fully supporting you, like when they are discussing some lesson that you should work on like that, but you are supposed to study that on your own like that. So I think he's gonna assist you when you start some. My bad, for bad. I think he's gonna assist you from when you solve this problem. When you solve this problem, Talim, LIM, Talim. I mean, it was no. I think it is good, not quite easy for me. Yeah, Talim on the math problems like that. Because when you start that, they gonna assist you because the first part, how to start solving a problem, like that. So, but when the lessons start, you should be able to study. So that's why you should know something before you go to discussion. Yeah, it is told to everyone since I think since LM told to like review yourself, recall yourself to the study that will be lesson in today for tomorrow like that. So that's why I got caught up behind like that. So for me, it is hard at time, and it is online class as well. So when you're studying alone, I'm not so focused at that time. So that's why not exactly hard, but it is a sad experience as well for me. And before you guys fall asleep, I hope you guys are open to listen to this of my story. This gonna go with relationship and how person I am. So if you are interested to listen to more, continue to listen to this video. But So thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. You are welcome. So I'm just gonna, summarize some part. So when I get that time, hard time to the college and university, that course that I should, it is part of my option as well, the civil engineering. But that time is currently last remaining weeks left to enroll, because the second option of my course that I will choose is the tourism, which is I choose today and this time. So I'm undecided that time. So my father is enrolled me to the civil engineering course. You expect that I will be a good student with that, because I choose the STEM, right? Yeah, like that. So yeah, when the time is come, it is just a first sem, So the pre-finals, I think, or finals, we are in the, I think, some private resort swimming pool, and I'm taking some exams. They are not good, but only for the minor subjects. Through my major subjects, I fell down, man, fell down. I think turned out to be 5, 5, and the others is 2, 1, like that. And apparently civil engineering doesn't work out for me at all. I'm not blaming others through these experiences that I have. Kind of blaming myself, because when the time is right, you should decide what you should choose when you have an option to go. So that is why everyone have choices to choose and decide what are they want, what are they passionate about, that will be best for them, that will not regret, but it's kind of waste some year, like that. That's what I thought. No, that's why. So yeah, that's right. So I'm just gonna continue this story, if you insist. So that's the time when I was in relationship as well, and I don't have any time. I'm kinda let down that time, but I'm still but texting, messaging my ex that time. So when I do some homeworks, that math, some calculus, pre-calculus, I think, I don't remember, but some, yeah, I think they are all also chemistry, like that. I got a few, but for the hard part, nah, and kinda, nah. So that's why I kinda get some. I don't think it is a depression. I think it is a disappointed to myself for not studying hard, learning hard enough, and I'm alone here that time. I'm kinda irritated, but I'm gonna, adding up like that. I'm sorry for these dramatic experiences and thoughts like that. So it is first time that when you realize that kind of logic that when you feel like you are conscious the time experiences that like so yeah, that's why I don't remember my past relationship. It is also a first relationship I had. It is almost like 3 years or 2 years relationship. So I was the one that to broken up, to be broke up like that, because it is also my fault that I'm not providing some, dates like that. But I have some, savings that time. But it does not meet some schedules. I'm not organizing my schedules that time, so we didn't have much time to enjoy ourselves, to go out, to bonding like that. So that's why, yeah, we support each other that time, and it is as well it's kinda low. It's going to low, so I'm just gonna pause. So when the time I realized that this this relationship is not gonna work out because the cause of her coldness is what I've done to her. When you are not making your time, like baby time, or baby time, it's kinda lost interest of someone when they are not reaching out to you and does it not make any time for you to spend talking, greeting at each other's, like our stay like that. That's what I thought that that's what I realized, that I'm the cause of that coldness of her, that it turned out that I'm not giving some attentions to her. Yeah, the proper words, attentions, because you just want attentions. Everyone's want attentions, and yeah. So come again. Yeah. So yeah, that's what the time when I was first year college. So that's why I ended up my relationship with her. So she can move up to someone that will provide her some attentions, going out, spending time together. So that is what I'm looking for. And yeah, that's how my school life happens. So when the relationship is over, at a time, it is very same, when it comes to finals of my civil engineering, I pass some minor subjects, but the major subjects is flat. It was flat. I'm not gonna say the grades, but it was flat. Yeah, it is not good. So that's why I stopped, and not enrolling for the second sem because if I continue that course, civil engineering, it will go hardly for myself. You know, the tuitions is kinda big pocket you need. So that's what I thought, that I shouldn't be wasting some money that I'm not passionate about, I'm not capable about that time. So that's why I kinda waste some money for that tuition fee for that course. So that's why I think the person stopped at January, I think. So when the second sem start, yeah, I didn't enroll. So I waited that, I think it's just 4 months, 5 months like that. 5 months, 6 months. I'm not enroll, you know. So I enroll when I think it is 2022. I enroll 2023. Yeah, I enrolled tourism management course. So yeah, it turned out well. It turned out to be good, and I'm glad it is not face to face anymore. It is not online class anymore. Sorry. So yeah, and that's why my educational details about. So we are done with the details. We are done with my past relationships. What should I tell you? True about me. Okay. Facts about me. I'm not kinda friendly when you first met me or see me like that. And I don't usually talk something out like that. So I'm kinda introvert person, you know. And I'm too shy. And I'm bad boy like that. And yeah, I'm kinda teasing someone like that, but not some bully, you know. Not like that. Just friendly tease, you know, that friends do. And yeah, I like to keep some memories, like every events or happening with friends, family, like that going out. I always taking some pictures, taking some videos, because I love to keep memories. That is why. And yeah, that's and I think that's it for the getting to know you. And yeah, so there's the basics about myself. So hope you guys enjoy. Hope you guys are not crying, you know, felt bad about myself, you know, like that. So as you guys can see right now in this screen, it is ASMR video. It is a new me, you know. It is it is my you know, true self showing, you know. And yeah, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And yeah, I think I'm gonna make more sometime. requested ASMR content that you guys are requesting. So I don't get some, stuck up for the videos that I will do, because I should make up to you guys, so you guys deserve more, So I think I have remaining of yeah, I just finished the 3 ASMR contents. This is the 3 time, the 3rd one I think. So my pending list of requested ASMR from you guys is 12. Yeah, it is 12 more pendings. So it is separate that I usually have on my phone notes, my cell phone notes. So relax for another ASMR content that you guys requested to be up. It will out soon. Don't worry guys. That will be a long video, so it is not a kinda 7 minutes. Expected to be 10 minutes. That will be my, my kinda short video that I will do when it comes to requested ASMR content. Yeah. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So relax, have a good night, have a good nap, sleep.